This natural silver HP Pavilion X360 comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This touchscreen laptop weighs only 1.59 kilograms, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop comes with pre-installed MS Office Home and Student, making it ready for use. It also comes with Alexa built-in. Voice control your day with Alexa. You can listen to music, news, schedule appointments, control your smart home, and more hands-free. This laptop features a 4GB DDR4 memory with Intel UHD graphics card that is ideal for browsing and watching movies. This HP laptop has 256GB SSD storage, which allows for faster data access. It comes with a 41 Wh lithium-ion battery. This HP laptop has a 14-inch HD display, offering an immersive viewing experience, ideal for watching movies and videos. The anti-glare touchscreen display helps you to use the laptop with ease in both indoor and outdoor settings. It comes with Bang & Olufsen speakers for immersive sound. The durable 360-degree hinge allows you to work, write, watch and play. The laptop has two USB 3.1 ports, one USB Type-C port, one HDMI port, one SD card reader, and one audio port for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with the AC adapter and HP inking pen inside the box. This HP laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.